How to make a coaching or consulting website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a consulting or a coaching website within Squarespace. It is going to be crucial to know how to create these type of websites as an entrepreneur, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, you need these type of websites because consultants are going to be entrepreneurs. Coaches are going to be also entrepreneurs. So they need to have their own website and they know how, or they need to know how they can manage these type of websites. So what I am going to do now is going to be pretty much simple. We're going to create a new website within Squarespace. And after we have clicked on that magic button, it is going to let us choose the topic. So either we're going to type in coaching. Coaching doesn't mean that you're going to be a sport coaching. So it is going to be either professional coaching for sports, for let's say YouTube video creation, for let's say e-commerce coaching. It could be consultation, for example, for a website design. You're going to be a graphic designer, you're going to be a video maker, a video producer, video editor, whatever. So you're going to select the type of the website that you're going to use. Coaching and consulting are going to be leading to courses. This is the main reason for that. Either a one-on-one personal coaching, or it is going to be used for selling courses. So now what I am going to do is not select anything from here. I'm going to click on I'm just browsing. So it is going to show up the professional services templates. Now, these professional templates are going to be meant for us, of course. I'm not going to use the Blueprint AI Builder, but I'm going to use the simple, as you can see, specific, let's say, templates. When they say professional, I gotta admit, Squarespace have some of the best um, uh, website templates that I have seen on the internet. So I'm going to let you choose one of the following. So for example, here we have the Cambini. This is the Cambini or Beanie. We have this one, which is going to be Strayed. And finally, we have the one right there, which is going to be Syncra and more. So choose what will be the best one for you. Personally, I would choose Sawyer, and it is going to be looking very professional. Now, I select the color palettes, for example, choose what will match your theme. They are going to be very generic, but also efficient. I'm going to click on start with this design, wait for a few seconds, and it is going to be right there. Now we're going to wait for a few seconds. Boom. Here we have it. And here we have our website published. Now, what can we do next is to edit the website, select pages. You can add as many pages as you want. For example, here we have service pages and product pages. Since you are going to be a coach or you are going to be a consultant, you need a product page that you have realized, of course, as you can see with the date and time, whatever. You can go ahead and modify or edit this by clicking on edit. It will show you here the specific texts, dates that you can go ahead and modify, of course, and do whatever that you want to do right there. So I'm going to exit this place. For the services, these are going to be the services that you're going to present. So you're going to find your services. You can go ahead and edit that. You can have the type of services that you want, or you can go ahead and add it directly through your store. So you can go ahead and add a specific page specific for selling, add services for it, and it is going to be something like that. It is going to be more professional than this. For example, I'm going to give it an instant name. click on edit, and it is going to be right there. So this is an accordion. What do you do? What do you are going to have? Whatever. And you're going to link them all together. So this is a project, and you can go ahead and start adding your service just by heading over there. Be back. I'm going to head over products and services, products, and you're going to head over services and add your services just like that. You're going to set up your services by adding product name as a service. It is going to be considered as a digital service or product. Add an image, and then you're going to set up price, stock, of course make it as unlimited. Then you're going to add the detailed services like product name, description. Here we have images, setup, organization, selling tools, marketing, whatever. And here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.